All right, so 6 to 8 weeks have gone by and you're seeing some fresh new growth, and it's time to touch that back up. We're going to show you how to retouch and refresh your hair. This is what we call a double process. It is time for a retouch. Whatever your original formulation was, we're gonna remix that up and apply it to where now we have new hair growing. You've noticed that I've divided in 4 quadrants, and now I almost have a map of where I need to place my color. We're still going to outline to define. See that? We're starting to cover our grays. We're starting to give a root retouch. Let's pull that quadrant up. You can see exactly where to apply that color. So let's bring it to the root up to that line right there. That's that line of demarcation. So I'm going to take 1/4 inch partings and I will work my way down through all the way until I reach the very bottom. That's it. That's a root retouch. So as I'm working along my root retouch, I want to point something else out that you might want to do at home, which is what we call in the salon a double process. But I want to share it with you because it's so simple, it's so easy, and it brings back your hair color. And it might help you avoid that deepening and darkening that you get as you retouch your hair. When you retouch, I want you to start at the top, going to the bottom, because you really want to see what you're working on, A, and B, we almost always are going to want to refresh those ends. So if we retouch root first and lay over, we can color gloss down for more control. This could also be a demi-permanent formulation. Whatever was your original, that's what we're retouching with. And hitting that, and my last one, it's the bottom section closest to the ear, so I'm gonna lift it up and away so that I can be careful not to get all that color on the skin. Okay, so number 1 of our double process is complete. Now, I am taking a demi-permanent formulation. I have taken the same level and the same tone. So let's say it's a level 6 gold. I found the matching partner of level 6 gold in a demi-permanent. It's in my bottle. I'm going to apply. Watch how easy this is. I'm gonna take large sections and I am going to apply my demi-permanent formulation just right on top of this dry hair. Now the cool thing is I can just massage it through to completely saturate it, and you'll notice it goes right up to that permanent formulation. But I'm bringing back that tone, I'm bringing back that shine, and if I happen to turn brassy or orange, I can control that with the color of my demi-permanent. So look how simple and easy this is. This is a demi-permanent with a permanent, making this a double process. And if you want to see on how to apply demi-permanent or how to formulate, make sure you go and check that video out, because it's good to know your options so that you know how to combine them. I love to use a demi-permanent with a permanent when I'm doing a double process because this is a more sheer application. It brings back the gloss, it really enhances the shine and the tone, and I'm not worried about layering permanent on top of permanent on top of permanent. You have your root retouch done, you have that shine and tone back, and you did it in 1 step, 2 processes. Double process. To begin your color journey or to continue along, I really encourage you to check out all these incredible videos that you can learn from.